Hello everybody. Today I'm going to make a short video on the moving multiplier concept, and we're going to multiply a 5-digit number by a 2-digit number. Now, it's really important that you watch the prior videos on this concept, how to multiply a 3-digit by a 2-digit number using the moving multiplier concept and a 4-digit by a 2-digit number. So please make sure you watch those first, and this will be really simple, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. I have the steps written down. They apply to example 1, but the numbers match example 1, but the steps are going to be the same for all of them. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, step 1 involves multiplying the left two numbers. So 1 times 4 is just 4. Okay? Step 2 involves the sum of the cross products. So 2 times 4 plus 1 times 1. That's going to be 2 times 4 is 8, 1 times 1 is 1, 8 plus 1 is 9, of course. Okay? And now here's where the moving multiplier comes into play. At step 3, you can see that the 41 got shifted over here. But I recommend, to keep track of it, we just underline these two numbers. And of course, we're working with 41. So we can work this way. 3 times 4 plus 2 times 1. 3 times 4 plus 2 times 1. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay? And now we move here. So, same thing. Sum of these cross products, 34 and 41. 4 times 4 plus 3 times 1. 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times 1 is 3. 16 plus 3 is 19. Okay, and lastly, I move over here. What's the sum of these cross products? 45 and 41. 5 times 4 plus 4 times 1. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 1 is 4. 20 plus 4 is 24. And last step is the right number times the right number, top and bottom. 5 times 1 is just 5. Okay, now we work right to left. We're going to keep the units digit, carry the tens digit. So write down 5 here, write down 4 here, but I have to carry a 2 over here. 19 plus 2 is 21, so I'm going to write down 1, carry the 2. 14 plus 2 is 16, so I'm going to write down 6, carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, so I write down 0, carry the 1 over here. 4 plus 1 is 5. Final answer, 506,145. Okay, let's go on to example 2. First step, left times left, 6 times 7 is 42. Next step, what's the sum of these cross products? 6 times 3 plus 8 times 7. 6 times 3 is 18. 8 times 7 is 56. 18 plus 56 is 74. Okay, now I'm going to move over here. 3 times 7 plus 8 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 8 times 3 is 24. 21 plus 24 is 45. Okay, and then we move over and repeat the process. 4 times 7 plus 3 times 3. 4 times 7 is 28. 3 times 3 is 9. 28 plus 9 is 37. Okay, and again, let's focus on the 42 and the 73. 2 times 7 plus 4 times 3. 2 times 7 is 14. 4 times 3 is 12. 14 plus 12 is 26. And last step is the right number at the top times the right number at the bottom. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so we do the same thing. We're going to keep the units digit, carry the tens digit. I'm going to write the 6 here. I'm going to write the 6 here, but I'm going to carry the 2 over here. 37 plus 2 is 39, so I'm going to write down 9, carry the 3. 45 plus 3 is 48, so I write down 8, carry the 4. 74 plus 4 is 78, so I write down 8, carry the 7. 42 plus 7 is 49. So, what's my final answer? 4,988,966. Okay? Last example, we start with right here. 9 times 8, 72. Okay? Then we move over here. What's the sum of these cross products? 9 times 4 plus 8 times 8. 9 times 4 is 36. 8 times 8 is 64. 36 plus 64 is 100. Okay, let's move over here now. 7 times 8 plus 8 times 4. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 4 is 32. 56 plus 32 is 88. Okay, again, let's move over. 6 times 8 plus 7 times 4. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 4 is 28. 48 plus 28 is 76. And we move over here now. 6 times 8 plus 6 times 4. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 4 is 24. 48 plus 24 is 72. And we have, last step, 6 times 4 is 24. So we're going to keep the units digit, carry the tens digit. Keep the 4, carry the 2. 72 plus 2 is 74. Write down 4, carry the 7. 76 plus 7 is 83. Write down 3, carry the 8. 88 plus 8 is 96. Write down 6, carry the 9. 100 plus 9 is 109. So I'm going to write down 9, carry the 10. 72 plus 10 is 82. Okay? So 8,296,344. Okay? Practice this method. As you can see, we save a lot of time, a lot of room. I was going slower than I normally would because I'm explaining it, but I guarantee you, if you practice this, you'll be great at it and you will like this method, okay?